Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Voltas AC remote. Let's get started. Slide open the battery cover at the back of the remote. Take out both batteries and leave the remote without power for about 30 seconds. While the batteries are out, press and hold the power button on the remote for 10 seconds. This helps discharge any leftover power and resets the circuit. Put the batteries back in, making sure they are placed correctly, with the positive and negative sides aligned. If the batteries are weak, replace them with new ones. Point the remote at your AC unit and press the power button. If the reset worked, the AC should respond. You can now try changing modes, adjusting the temperature, or switching the fan speed. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Voltas AC remote in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.